December 6th, 2013, two engineers, one at IBM, one at Adobe, launch a cryptocurrency. As a joke. 8 years later, that joke is worth more than Twitter. That joke has its own ETF on Nasdaq, and it just refused to die. Again, this is the story of Dogecoin. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly where the Dogecoin price prediction for 2026 actually comes from. 2013. The crypto market was already full of clones, new coins every week, all of them promising to change the world. A marketer in Sydney named Jackson Palmer thought it was ridiculous, so he tweeted a joke. Investing in Dogecoin, pretty sure it's the next big thing. There was no Dogecoin. He registered the domain as a parody. Then a guy in Portland, Billy Marcus, IBM engineer, saw the tweet and decided to actually build it. They forked Litecoin's code, slapped a Shiba Inu meme on it, Comic Sans font on the logo, on purpose, and then something nobody expected. People actually started using it. Within 30 days, the website had over 1 million visitors. The community started tipping each other for funny Reddit posts. They funded a NASCAR driver. They sent the Jamaican bobsled team to the Winter Olympics. They dug water wells in Kenya. A joke became a movement. And then it found Elon Musk. 2021. Lockdown money, Robinhood traders, a bull market hungrier than any before it. Musk started tweeting, "Doge father. Who let the Doge out? The people have spoken." Mark Cuban came in, Snoop Dogg, Gene Simmons. The price went from less than half a cent to over 70 cents, a 18,000% run in months. Then came the announcement that broke the internet. Elon Musk, host of Saturday Night Live, May 8th, 2021, live on national TV talking about Dogecoin. Traders held their breath. Some quit their jobs, some took loans. Everyone expected the moon. The show aired, the skit started. Musk delivered the line, "Yeah, it's a hustle." And in real time, live, on air, while millions watched, Doge collapsed, down 30% before the show ended. Robinhood's crypto trading went down from sell pressure. The Doge father had just admitted, on camera, that the meme was a meme. Over the next 12 months, Doge dropped over 91%. Most people moved on. The forums went quiet. The "Will Dogecoin go up?" Google searches turned into "Will Dogecoin go back up?" Most analysts wrote it off as a 2021 mania artifact, a cautionary tale, but something quietly kept happening behind the scenes. 2025. The US Clarity Act passes. For the first time, the SEC and CFTC jointly classify Dogecoin as a digital commodity, same regulatory tier as Bitcoin and Ethereum. That single decision changed everything. Within months, 3 spot Dogecoin ETFs went live in the United States, Grayscale, Bitwise. And in January 2026, the 21 shares Dogecoin ETF, ticker TDOG, started trading on Nasdaq. The first directly SEC-approved spot Dogecoin product. The joke coin now sits next to BlackRock products on a brokerage screen. And while the financial system was busy approving Dogecoin from above, the original vision was quietly being built from below. House of Doge partnered with Bragg House to launch a payment app. Doge as everyday spending money. X Money rolled out its beta as Musk's payment layer for 600 million users. The Dogecoin Foundation proposed Fractal Engine, a sidechain that uses Doge as the exclusive trading currency for tokenized real-world assets. Suddenly, the Dogecoin outlook doesn't depend on a single Musk tweet anymore. It depends on adoption, which is exactly the question for 2026. But here's the catch nobody wants to talk about. Dogecoin adds 5 billion new coins to its supply every single year. Forever. No halving. No cap. For the price to go up, demand has to outrun that supply every year, forever. That's the game. So, the Dogecoin price prediction 2026 everyone is searching for. Here are the actual numbers from the actual analysts in May 2026. The conservative camp, CoinCodex, projects a 2026 range of 9 to 21 cents. Changelly's December base case is 11 to 12.5 cents. Digital coin price expects Doge to break above its current range, but stay capped around 14 cents. The bull camp, Coinpedia, projects an annual range of 75 cents to $1.25. Investing Haven targets up to $1.71. but only if Doge holds key Fibonacci levels first. And cycle analysts on X are calling for $5 by year-end based on long-term Doge cycles dating back to 2014. That's a spread from 12 cents to $5, same coin, same chart, 40 times different opinions. And that's the honest truth of any Dogecoin forecast. It's a scenario, not a promise. The conservative models trust the inflation math. The bulls trust the X money catalyst. Neither of them knows. 12 years ago, Dogecoin was a joke nobody took seriously. Today it has an ETF, a regulatory framework, and a payment app. The question isn't, will Dogecoin go up? That's the wrong question. The right question is, can Doge turn institutional access and payment utility into real sustained demand, faster than 5 billion new coins enter the market every year? If yes, the bulls were early. If no, the conservatives were right. Either way, the joke outlived almost everyone who laughed at it. On Margex, Doge USD trades with up to times 25 leverage if you want to take a position on either side of this story. But before you do, drop a comment. In 2026, are you a bull or a bear on Doge? Subscribe for more crypto stories without the hype and without the noise. Not financial advice. Always do your own research.